Welcome to Panchatantra Kids and its new channel, The Learning Box. So this channel has been created specially for children to learn lots of concepts along with having fun. And I'm sure children are doing that too. So to all my babies, have you all been practicing what we've been learning? Yes? Have you been practicing your addition and subtraction? That is your plus and minus. Very good. And now, since you all are so good with your addition, today we are going to do repeated addition. What are we going to do? Repeated addition. Does anyone know what is repeated? Repeat means when we do something again. Yes? What does repeat mean? When we do something again. So today we are going to add again and again and again and again. Yes, so are we ready for it? Very good. So there was a naughty little monkey. Who is this? A naughty little monkey. One day he got into someone's house and he first took away 2 bananas. How many bananas? 2 bananas. He took away 2 bananas. Then he wanted to have some more. So he came back and he took 2 more. What did he do? He took 2 more. Then he said, let me eat some more. They are so yummy and sweet. So he again went and he took 2 more. See, he ate the banana so many times. 1, 2, 3. And do you think he's going to eat it again? Do you think he's going to eat it again? Yes, and he went and he ate it once more. So the monkey went and ate 2 bananas and then repeated, ate another 2 more and then repeated and had another 2 more and then repeated and had another 2 more. So how many do you think he had in all? What are we going to do? Remember I told you repeat means again. So again and again and again. But see, it has to be equal numbers. There are 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay? This is called repeated addition. So, the monkey ate 2 bananas one time, then 2 bananas again, and then 2 bananas again, and 2 bananas again. So, let's see. How are we going to write this? And what are we going to write? Come on. So, how many bananas do we have here? 2. And how many bananas do we have here? 2. And how many do we have here? 2. And again 2. Yes? So, we are going to do repeated addition. That means we are going to add again and again and again. Yes? So, plus, plus and plus. And then before the answer, what do we do? With sign. Come on, you all have all learnt it in your shapes and signs program. Yes, we are going to put equals to. And let's count the bananas now. Come on everyone, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in total, all the bananas that the monkey ate were 8 bananas. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the monkey ate 8 bananas in all. So what am I going to write here? 8. Yes? And you know what? There is one more way of writing this. Do you all want to know? You all want to know how do we write it in one more way? Yes? So come on. First, we will write the number of times the monkey ate the bananas. How many times did he eat the bananas? Come on. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ate the bananas 4 times. How many times? 4 times. So we can write 4. And each time, how many bananas did he eat? Each time, how many bananas? 2. So we'll write 2. And in the center, we will put a multiplication sign. See? Cross. And here it is. This is the multiplication sign. What is this? Come on, everyone. Multiplication sign. Okay, when you put a cross. Yes? So, we can write 4 multiplied by 2. Yes? Because the monkey ate the bananas how many times? 4 times. And each time, how many bananas did he eat? 2. So, we will write 4 multiplied by 2 equals to, how many did he eat in total? In all, he ate 8 bananas. So, we can also write it as 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Come on, everyone, read it with me. 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Very good. Good job. Come on. Now, let's do another one. Okay? Keep your bunny's ears on. Very good. This is Naisha. And Naisha had a bad cold and a cough. What did she have? A bad cold and a cough. So, when her grandpa went to the market, what did the grandpa buy? Her grandpa bought 3 oranges. He said oranges are good for health and they take away the cold and the cough. So, he got 3 oranges for Naisha. How many oranges did grandpa get? 3 oranges. See? So, I'm going to put up 3 oranges. Yes? And dad didn't know about it. So, what did Naisha's daddy do? Naisha's daddy also bought 3 oranges. Yes? What did Naisha's daddy do? Naisha's daddy also bought 3 oranges. Come on. So, let's put another 3 oranges. See? These are the 3 oranges that Naisha's daddy got. And Naisha's mommy didn't know that grandpa and daddy had already got the oranges. So, mommy also got 3 oranges. Yes? How many oranges did mommy get? 3 oranges. So, let's put up 3 oranges again. Yes? 1, 2, and 3. See? So, how many oranges did Naisha have in the house all together? See, it became more and more. So, what are we going to do? When it becomes more and more, we are going to add. And this is repeated addition. That means we are going to add and then add again. Yes? So, let's see how are we going to write this. Come on. How many oranges came first? How many did grandpa get? 3 oranges. And then how many came next? Again we had another 3 because daddy got 3 more. And then how many again did we have? 3 because mommy got her 3 more. So it became 3 and 3 more and then 3 more. So what are we going to put here with sign? Plus, because it's becoming more and more. And what are we going to put here? Equals to. Okay. And now let's add, let's count how many oranges are there in all. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many oranges are there in all? 9. So what are we going to write here? 9. And remember, what did I show you in the previous one? We can also write it in another manner. Come on, let's do that. So first, what are we going to do? We are going to write how many times did the oranges come. So let's see how many times. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Yes? First grandpa, daddy, mommy. So once, twice and thrice. That is 3 times. Thrice means 3 times. So first we will write that. And each time how many oranges came in? How many oranges did they get for Naisha each time? 3 oranges. So we are going to put 3. And we are going to multiply. Which sign is this? Multiply. Yes, you're going to see the addition is like this, right? Because you keep adding and you're going to slant it, turn it around, and you're going to multiply because it is repeated addition. You're adding it again and again and again. So you're going to put multiply. And then we'll write equals to, and how many oranges are there in all? 9 oranges. So we are going to write 9 oranges. Yes? Superb job. And now I want all of you to run, get your books and your pencils and write along with me. Okay? Come on, run. So is everyone's bunny's ears on? And do you have your book and your pencil? This time you're going to write with me, okay? All of you. Come on. So Naira loves mangoes. What does she love? Mangoes. So when she went to the market, she bought many mangoes. Let's see how many mangoes did she buy. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many mangoes did she buy? 6 mangoes. That is half a dozen. A dozen is 12 mangoes. Half a dozen is 6. So she bought 6. And her brother Romy knows that she loves mangoes. So when he was coming back, he bought some more mangoes. Come on, let's see how many did he buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So many mangoes. He bought another 6. That's half a dozen mangoes. Yes. So now, how many mangoes does she have in all? How many mangoes does Naira have in all? So are we all going to write it together? Come on, let me see. Let's write. Yes. How many mangoes are there? Come on. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we'll write 6 and her brother Romy got her how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write another 6. And because the mangoes became more, what are we going to write? Come on, this we all know. Yes, you're going to write the plus sign. And here we'll put the equals to. And let's count how many mangoes are there in all. So we won't count these because we already know there are 6 here. So 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, how many mangoes are there in all? 12. Very good. So what are we going to write? 12. And now I want all of you to write with me the multiplication sentence. Okay? Okay, come on. So first, which number do we write? First we write how many times did the mango come in. So how many times? 1 and 2. First Naira got and then Romy got. So how many times did they buy the mangoes? 2 times. So what are we going to write? 2. And each time, how many did they buy? There are 6 and 6. So how many did they buy? 6. Each time they bought 6 mangoes. And what are we going to do to the addition sign? We are going to slant it to make it multiplication. So put the multiplication sign, put the equals to sign and write the answer. And come on, say it along with me. Let's say it together. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Yes? Come on, say it again. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Very good. Good job. Yes? And we are going to do this again so that you all know it thoroughly. Just the way you all know your addition and subtraction. Yes? So are everyone's bunny's ears here? Come on. Yes? And let's see who's coming. Who's coming? Who is this? This is the hungry caterpillar. Who is this? Hungry caterpillar. And this hungry caterpillar loves to eat apples. What does he love to eat? Apples. So he first goes and eats. Let's see how many does he eat. He eats one apple. Then he goes and he eats. He says, I'm a little more hungry. So let me eat one more. And then he says, I think I'm more hungry, because he's a hungry caterpillar. So he goes and eats one more, and again one more, and again one more. Yes? So how many times does he go and eat apples? See, let's count. One time, then another time, and another time, and another time, and another time. Come on, now you're all big children. Let's directly write the multiplication sentence. Yeah, we don't need to again and again do plus, 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 right? We all know it now. Correct? Am I right? Yes? So let's directly write the multiplication sentences. So what is the first number we are going to write? First we are going to write how many times it happened. So let's see, how many times did the caterpillar eat the apple? He ate one time, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come on. So we will write 5. And how many apples did he eat each time? Every time he went, how many apples did he eat? He ate one apple. So let's write 1. And what are we going to put here? Because we are not doing 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? We are doing directly multiplication. So the cross sign. Come on. So let's put the cross sign and let's write the answer. So let's count how many apples are there in all. How many did he eat in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? So we're going to write 5. Come on, let's say the sentence together. 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Again, once more. 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Yes? Any number that is multiplied by 1 remains, the answer remains the same. The answer remains the same. Yes? You want to know how? Yes? Come on, everyone put your bunny's ears on. I'll tell you how. So imagine if grandpa had got 1 orange and mom also got 1 orange and dad also got 1 orange. So how many times did they buy the oranges? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so first we will write 3 and then multiplied by how many oranges came each time? Dad also got 1, mom also got 1, grandpa also got 1, but each time they got 1, so we are going to multiply by 1. So let's see how many are there in all. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. So when you multiply any number by 1, the answer remains the same. So 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. Yes? Have we understood? Yes? Very good. So, if all of you enjoyed the session, learned something from it, please do like, share and subscribe. See you soon the next time and keep practicing your multiplication. Bye.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें